Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the SSC exam calendar, whether the RRB senior section engineer has been included in this post or only SSCJ has been concluded on that particular advertisement. So all this information we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query or any exam related update or any things which you do not understand related to any advertisement, you need to just join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, SSC has already released the annual examination calendar 2 days back, and now they have released the examination based on the junior engineer which is recruited in last few years, and now they have released the date of that particular advertisement and when the examination has been happened. So in that advertisement they have mentioned that the junior engineer for the civil, mechanical, electrical and quality surveying and contracts examination is held on that particular date of advertisement. They have mentioned the 28th of November 2022 and closing date was 27 of December for the 22, and the date of examination is held in the March 2023. Most of the students having a main questions with that, whether the railway senior section engineer has been included in this or we need to consider as a separate examinations. So based on my opinion, if you consider that, then RRB senior section engineer has not included in that particular post, because these examination especially held for the junior engineer post, and pay scale is also based on that, because the pay scale for the junior section engineer or junior engineer are 35,400. Whether you need to go for the railway, whether you need to go for any particular center government organization, whether CPWD or any other government organization, but most of the cases salary was same for the group B. But if you go for the senior section examination, senior section engineer, in that situation your salary was 44,500 something like that. So these are separate conducting examination bodies. Like SSC has rights to conduct the same examination, but most probably they will not conduct the same examination with the SSCJ, because the portion and other things are also vary based on the pattern of examination which is carried by earlier by the Railways Recruitment Board. So you can consider that this post for the RRB senior section engineer has not included in that particular post. And one more thing, for the RRB, whenever any examination has been updated through RRB, they will publish this information with the official website. Along with that, SSC need to be published on his website as well. Without these, we cannot consider these posts in like junior engineer post. So as of now you can consider only for the junior engineer, but in case of a mechanical, at least number of seats are available in last 2 to 3 years. So because I have also received a comment related to 2 more examination for the BDL management, as per my prediction they haven't released any of the update as of now. Few of the students again filed the RTI to get the details of examination, but they haven't replied anything about that examination. Based on my opinion, because the portion of GATE examination and BDL examination are almost same, so you can go for the GATE examination prepared very well, because if you haven't clear that particular examination, then you can consider you can also not have a capability to clear with the VDL examination, because they have directly taken a syllabus of GATE examination and put over for the VDL examination. So as per my opinion, if you consider that, so might be you may feel like that the examination may be difficult for the GATE examination, are almost same thing is happening with the VDL examination. Only one thing you need to remember, in GATE examination only MSQ and NET are there, but in case of a VDL there is nothing like that will be available over there. So you can prepare for the 1 marks if you are only focused for the VDL, but in my opinion you need to go for the both the examination if you have already filled that particular form GATE 2022. So that's all for this video. If you need any particular information, do mention in comment box, and if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.